Once upon a time, there lived a man named Alex. He was an ordinary person with dreams of achieving great wealth and financial abundance. However, he often found himself struggling to make ends meet and wondering if his dreams would ever come true. Little did he know that the power to get rich was within his reach, hidden deep within his subconscious mind. One day, Alex was browsing through a bookstore. He stumbled upon a book called Unlocking the Wealth Within, Harnessing the Power of Your Subconscious Mind. Intrigued by the title, he decided to purchase the book and delve into its pages. As he immersed himself in the book, Alex discovered the incredible influence that his subconscious mind held over his thoughts, beliefs, and actions. He learned that his mindset played a crucial role in his ability to attract wealth and abundance in his life. Determined to tap into this hidden power, Alex embarked on a journey of self discovery. He started by reprogramming his subconscious mind with positive affirmations and visualizations of wealth and success. He replaced his limiting beliefs with empowering ones, instilling in himself the unwavering belief that he was deserving of immense riches. As days turned into weeks, Alex noticed a remarkable shift in his mindset. He became more confident, motivated, and focused. Opportunities started presenting themselves seemingly out of nowhere. He seized those opportunities, taking calculated risks and investing in ventures that aligned with his newfound wealth consciousness. Alex's financial situation slowly began to transform. He attracted lucrative business deals and partnerships that propelled him towards his goal of wealth creation. But it wasn't just luck or coincidence, it was the power of his subconscious mind working in harmony with his conscious efforts. Through the power of his subconscious mind, Alex tapped into his creativity and innovation. He devised groundbreaking ideas and solutions that brought immense value to the world. People were drawn to his authenticity and passion, leading to exponential growth in his wealth and influence. However, Alex's journey was not without challenges. There were moments of doubt and setbacks, but he persisted, knowing that his subconscious mind held the key to his ultimate success. He remained committed to nurturing his wealth consciousness. He constantly fed his mind with positive affirmations and surrounded himself with individuals who shared his vision. As Alex's wealth grew, he became acutely aware of the responsibility that came with his newfound abundance. He used his resources to uplift others by investing in initiatives that aimed to eradicate poverty and promote financial education. Over time, Alex realized that the journey to getting rich wasn't just about accumulating wealth. It was about personal growth, contribution, and making a positive impact to the world. His story soon became an inspiration for others. He shared his knowledge and experiences, encouraging people to unlock the power of their subconscious minds. In the end, Alex achieved the financial abundance that he always desired. But it wasn't merely a result of external circumstances or luck. It was a testament to the power of his subconscious mind and his unwavering belief in his ability to create wealth. As the story of Alex teaches us, the key to getting rich lies within ourselves. By harnessing the power of our subconscious mind, we can unlock the limitless potential within us and manifest abundance in all areas of our lives. It all starts with believing in our worthiness, aligning our thoughts and actions with wealth, and never underestimating the power of our own minds. This brings us to the end of this story. Thanks for watching till here. Hit on the like if you have really enjoyed the story and learned some valuable lessons from it. Lastly, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hitting the bell icon for more such insightful videos on personal growth and financial education.